Everybody's favorite time of the year is back. The season of festivals, weddings, and all the irresistible foods. And today I want to share with you some tips which, if you follow, you can enjoy the celebrations, the food without guilt and without putting on any weight at all. The first tip is to pick the right footwear. So you do not have to worry about sore feet and you can be up and about, keeping your knee high while you enjoy the celebrations. The second tip is to have a cucumber and a tomato salad before you get to the venue. It's very simple. Just carry it in a box with you and finish it off before you get to the venue. What this is going to do is it's going to ensure that there are no insulin spikes from whatever you're going to eat or drink next. The third tip is for somebody who's going to be consuming alcohol. Now remember, your liver can process only one drink per hour, and you should really limit it to 2 drinks for the night. It can be 230 ml drinks with lemon water, or 2 pints of beer, or 2 glasses of wine. The vitamin C from the lemon water is going to help the liver break down the alcohol into less toxic forms. Now that we are talking about alcohol, let me tell you something about its metabolism in the body. Alcohol does not need digestion. It gets absorbed very quickly from your stomach and from your intestines into your bloodstream. And from your bloodstream, it travels very quickly to your brain, heart, and liver. That's why you can feel the difference within minutes of consuming it. And brain is very sensitive to alcohol, leading to change in your mood, change in your judgment, and your reflexes very quickly. Alcohol also causes a drop in your blood sugar, which leads to cravings. So while snacking, ensure to do on vegetable and protein-based snacks. What they are going to do is create a lining in your stomach, which delays the absorption of alcohol into your bloodstream. The fourth tip is for the main course. You should totally enjoy your favorite foods and fill your plate with all the foods that you love. But fill it once. Do not go in for a second helping. The fifth tip is to enjoy your favorite desserts. Pick 2 of them and take half a serving of both of them. And take your time to eat. Do not gulp them down. The sixth tip is to get your 7 to 9 hours of sleep. And when you wake up, just go light on the carbohydrates for this one day and try to get in 1 hour of cardio. It could be just a stroll. That would be good enough. And there, if you follow these 6 tips that I've told you, you're going to enjoy your celebration, eat your favorite food, and not feel guilty because you would not gain any weight at all by the end of it. Keep following me for more such helpful videos.